Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a common nuisance that many of us face, dandruff. It's annoying, embarrassing, and can be a real confidence killer. But fear not, because in this video, we're going to share some effective home remedies and tips to help you get rid of dandruff once and for all. Before we dive into the remedies, let's quickly discuss what causes dandruff. Oh yeah, before I forgot, if you don't want to miss out on our latest videos and exclusive content, please hit the subscribe button now and join our awesome community. Dandruff is often the result of various factors, including dry skin, sensitivity to hair product, fungal infections, or even certain medical conditions like seborrheic dermatitis. Understanding the root cause can help you choose the right approach to treating it. Apple cider vinegar. This pantry staple is hailed for its myriad health benefits, and treating dandruff is one of them. ACV helps restore the pH balance of the scalp, thereby inhibiting the growth of fungi responsible for dandruff. To use, mix equal parts water and ACV, apply it to the scalp. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a multi-purpose remedy for various hair and scalp issues thanks to its moisturizing and antifungal properties. Warm up some coconut oil, massage it into the scalp, leave it on overnight, and wash it off the next morning. Regular application can help alleviate dandruff and nourish the scalp. Tea tree oil. Renowned for its antimicrobial properties, tea tree oil is an effective remedy for treating dandruff. Add a few drops of tea tree oil to your shampoo or dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil before applying it to the scalp. Leave it on for a few minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is not just a soothing gel for sunburns. It also possesses antifungal properties that can help combat dandruff. Extract fresh aloe vera gel from the leaves, apply it directly to the scalp, leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Regular use can soothe scalp irritation and reduce flakiness. Baking soda. Baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells and excess oil from the scalp. Mix a tablespoon of baking soda with water to form a paste. Massage it into the scalp. Leave it on for a few minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Be cautious not to overuse baking soda, as it can be drying to the scalp. Yogurt. Probiotic-rich yogurt contains beneficial bacteria that can help restore the natural balance of the scalp and combat dandruff-causing fungi. Apply plain yogurt to the scalp, leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Repeat this treatment regularly for best results. Onion juice. While it may sound unconventional, onion juice is loaded with sulfur compounds that have antimicrobial properties, making it an effective remedy for dandruff. Extract onion juice. Apply it to the scalp, leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse off with a mild shampoo. The sulfur in onion juice helps eliminate dandruff-causing fungi and promote scalp health. Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are packed with nutrients and have been used for centuries to treat various hair and scalp conditions, including dandruff. Soak fenugreek seeds overnight, grind them into a paste, apply it to the scalp, leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Fenugreek seeds not only help alleviate dandruff, but also nourish the scalp and promote hair growth. In addition to these home remedies, adopting certain lifestyle and hygiene practices can help prevent dandruff from recurring. Maintain good hygiene. Regularly washing your hair with a mild shampoo can help remove excess oil, dirt, and dead skin cells from the scalp, reducing the risk of dandruff. Use a gentle shampoo. Choose a shampoo that is gentle on the scalp and free from harsh chemicals that can irritate the skin. Look for ingredients like salicylic acid or ketoconazole, which can help control dandruff. Avoid hot water. Washing your hair with hot water can strip away natural oils from the scalp, leading to dryness and flakiness. Opt for lukewarm or cool water instead. Limit hairstyling products. Certain hairstyling products like gels, mousses, and hairsprays can build up on the scalp and exacerbate dandruff. Use them sparingly and make sure to wash them out thoroughly. Manage stress. Stress can weaken the immune system and exacerbate dandruff. Practice stress-reducing techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises to keep stress levels in check. Eat a balanced diet. A diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants is essential for maintaining a healthy scalp. Incorporate foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your diet to nourish your scalp from the inside out. Stay hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water is crucial for overall health, including scalp health. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep your scalp hydrated and prevent dryness. Seek professional help if needed. If home remedies fail to alleviate your dandruff, or if it persists despite treatment, consult a dermatologist or healthcare professional for further evaluation and treatment options. Dandruff may be a common and frustrating problem, but with the right approach, you can effectively manage and prevent it from recurring. By incorporating these home remedies and expert tips into your hair care routine, you can say goodbye to flaky scalp and hello to healthier, happier hair. Remember, consistency is key, so be patient and persistent in your efforts to combat dandruff. To our amazing viewers, before we end up this video, we have some exciting news to share with you today. Have you ever wanted to take your support for our channel to the next level and gain access to exclusive perks? Well, now you can. We're thrilled to announce the launch of our channel membership program, designed to offer you even more value and rewards for being part of our community. Joining our channel membership is not just about getting access to exclusive perks. It's about becoming an integral part of our community and showing your support for the content we create. So, how can you become a channel member and start enjoying these fantastic benefits? It's simple. Just click the join button next to the subscribe button on our channel homepage or underneath any of our videos. Whether you're a longtime viewer or a newcomer, we welcome you to join us on this exciting journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.